A father is neither an anchor to hold us back, nor a sail to take us there, but a guiding light whose love shows us the way. Good fathers do three things: they provide, nurture, and guide. If there is any immortality among us, it is indeed the love that we leave behind. So, with this zeal, a very bright and blessed morning to one and all present here. I, Sanskruti Sana from Shamitskud, would like to present best wishes to all the fathers. We gather here to celebrate the strength, wisdom, and love of our fathers. Truly, a father's love is unconditional. His wisdom is invaluable, and his presence is irreplaceable. Father's Day indeed is the best occasion to express our gratitude and appreciations to him. No bond is as strong as that of a child and a father. He is a protecting shelter to us, just like a cozy nest. So here comes a song dedicated to all the fathers.
थाम के उंगली चलना सिखाया, राहों में गिर के संभलना सिखाया। थाम के उंगली चलना सिखाया, राह में गिर के संभलना सिखाया। माँ दिया पहचान हमें दी, हम जो उड़े तो उड़ान हमें दी। सपनों का जहान है पापा, मेरा आसमान है पापा, मेरा आसमान है पापा। मेरो तो मुझे हंसा के खुशियों से भर देते हैं, मेरी आंसू हाथ में लेके पापा जुगनू कर देते हैं। रहते हैं नींदों में छुप के, पापा मुझ में सोते हैं। मैं भी नहीं होती हूँ जब तो पापा मुझ में सोते हैं। पापा जैसा कोई नहीं है, नहीं है वैसा कोई नहीं है। खुशियों का जहान है पापा, मेरा आसमान है पापा, मेरा आसमान है पापा, मेरा आसमान है पापा।
Our dear fathers are immense hardworking and full of sacrifices. So here is a dance depicting the same.
मेरा सुपर हीरो ना हवा में उड़ता है, ना विलेन से लड़ता है, फिर भी मेरा सुपर हीरो बाकी सुपर हीरो से बेस्ट है। मेरे सुपर हीरो के पास कोई सुपर पावर नहीं है, फिर भी वो मेरी सारी विश पूरी करता है। दुनिया मेरे सुपर हीरो को नहीं जानती, पर मेरा सुपर हीरो ही मेरी दुनिया है। बस एक प्रॉब्लम है, मेरा सुपर हीरो मुझसे झूठ बोलता है कि उसको भूख नहीं लगती। वो झूठ बोलता है कि उसको रोना नहीं आता। वो झूठ बोलता है कि वो कभी थकता नहीं है। पर वो यह सब मेरी खुशी के लिए करता है। I love my daddy, my superhero.
एक तारा हो तुम, ना कोई खुदा मेरा तेरे सिवा, मेरा जग सारा हो तुम। मैंने तुम्हें जहाँ रखा कोई नहीं है वहाँ। पापा मेरी जान हरदम रखना, अब हाथ ये सर पर तुम। पापा मेरी जान मेरे संग चलना, हर मील का पत्थर तुम ही पे तो ठहरते हैं ये रास्ते मेरे लिए।
Now let us lend our ears and eyes to those who want to speak about their fathers, those who want to express each single alphabet that describes their father. So let us begin with the first alphabet, that is F. F stands for fabulous.
My father is a fabulous friend. Some people don't believe in heroes, but they haven't met my dad, who is a great hero. All my love is for him. All my pride is for him. He is an idol whom I always faith in.
E stands for admirable.
My father is an admirable person. I highly admire my father, who have lived his entire life with simplicity. He is hardworking, honest in dealing with others, frank and forthright. He had earned the respect of his family, with every member of society for his credibility.
T stands for thought-provoking person.
My father is a thought-provoking person. He assumes not only the role of provider but also a protector, creating a sense of security and stability at home. He is my role model.
H stands for halcyon.
I refer my father as a halcyon because he is reliable and strengthens the bond with the family and creates a sense of security that his children can carry with them throughout their lives. He is a smooth voyager whose shoulder protects us from every calamity.
E stands for brilliant.
My father is so very brilliant. I must have won jackpot when I got him as my dad. I can spend hours and hours talking to him without ever getting bored of the conversation.
R stands for reliable.
My father is the most reliable person. When I think of a great man, my dad is the first person to come to my mind. Nothing compares to the bond we share.
Dad, you are in all my favorite memories. You gave wings to my dreams. You are my superhero.
Thus, I would like to conclude by saying, in the darkest days, when I feel unloved, unworthy, and inadequate, I remember whose daughter I am, and I strayed in my crown. Thank you to all the papas, all the daddies for showering their unwavering love. And lastly, I would like to wish all the fathers a very happy Father's Day.